Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut out an image in Canva like a pro. Whether you're creating thumbnails, social media posts, or designs for your projects, knowing how to remove backgrounds and isolate objects will completely level up your visuals. First, start by selecting the image you want to edit. Once it's highlighted, click on Edit Photo to open Canva's photo editor. From here, you'll want to use the BG Remover tool. This powerful feature is part of Canva Pro and can automatically remove the background from your image in just a few seconds. But that's not all. For those areas that need extra precision, double-click your image to access the Erase and Restore brushes. The Erase brush lets you clean up any leftover background spots, while the Restore brush brings back parts of the image you might have accidentally removed. With a little careful adjustment, you can get a perfect cutout every time. And that's it. With Canva's BG Remover and the Erase and Restore tools, cutting out images has never been easier. Now you can seamlessly integrate your images into any design, making your visuals look clean, professional, and eye-catching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to try it out in your next Canva project. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.